अस्मद्गुरुपरम्परायै नमः। श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि। श्रुतीनामुत्तरं भागं वेगवत्याश्च दक्षिणं कामादधिव सञ्जीयात् कश्चिदद्भुतकेसरी तपनेन्भग्निनयनः तापानपचिनोतु नः तापनीयरहस्यानां सारकामासिका हरिः आकण्ठमादिपुरुषं कण्ठीरवमुपरि कुण्ठितारातिं वेगोपकण्ठसङ्घात् विमुक्तवैकुण्ठबहुमतिमुपासे बन्धुमखिलस्य जन्तोः बन्धुरपर्यङ्कबन्धरमणीयं विषमविलोचनमीडे वेगवती पुलिनकेळी नरसिंहम् स्वस्थानेषु मरुद्गणान् नियमयन् स्वाधीन सर्वेन्द्रियः पर्यङ्कस्थिरधारणा प्रकटितप्रत्यङ्मुखावस्थितिः प्रायेण प्रणिपेदुषां प्रभुरसौ योगं निजं शिक्षयन् कामानातनुतादशेषजगतां कामासिका केसरी विकस्वरनकस्वरूक्षतहिरण्यवक्षस्थली निरर्गलविनिर्गलधृतिरसिन्धुसन्ध्यायिताः अवन्तु मदनाशिका मनुजपञ्चवक्त्रस्य माम् अहं प्रथमिकामितप्रकटिताः वा भागवः सटापटलभीषणे सरबसाट्टहासोद्भटे स्फुरत्कृति परिस्फुटत् भृगुटिकेऽपि भक्त्रे कृते कृपाकपटकेसरिन् धनुजडिम्बदत्तस्तना सरोजसदृशा व्यतिभिषज्यते व्यज्यते त्वयि रक्षति रक्षकै किमन्यैः त्वयि च रक्षति रक्षकै किमन्यैः इति निश्चिदति श्रयामि नित्यं नृहरे वेगवती तटाश्रयं त्वाम् इत्थं सुतसहृदिहाष्टभिरेषपद्यैः श्रीवेङ्कटेशरचितैस्त्रिदशेन्द्रवन्द्यः दुर्धान्तघोरधुरितद्भिरतेन्द्रभेदी कामासिका नरहरिर्वितनोतु कामान् कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः। We have just enjoyed the bliss of Kamasikashtakam, which was gracefully rendered by Swami Nikhamanta Mahadeshikan, encompassing all the unparalleled specialities of Narasimha Avatar. Lord Sriman Narayana's compassionate grace is abundantly with us and is making us to enjoy the bliss of his divine names. Today we are blessed to enjoy the sloka 22, which is absolute celebration of Lord Narasimha's grace and gives us a spiritual ecstasy. Chanting and enjoying his names on Ashada Ekadasi day is a divine gift for us. Let us enjoy. Amrityu sarvadrik simha sandata sandiman stiraha ajo durmashana shasta vishrutatma surariha. Amrityuhu, the foe of Mrityu, that is the death. Here begins Nrsimha incarnation. He is the foe of death since he is death for the god of death. Sarvadrik, he who sees all. Bhagavan alone sees all, whether they are well disposed or hostile or indifferent towards him, in order to rule over them and reward them according to their deserts. So, he is Sarvadrik. He can also see on all sides. Simhaha. Bhagavan has assumed great body of man and a lion, and this is Nrisimha. Sandhata. He who makes his devotees join him. Though he is frightful when he as a lion crushes the elephant-like enemies, he makes Prahlada and others join him who are devoted to him. Sandiman. He who has the company. His association with the devotees is permanent, and so he is called Sandiman. Stiraha. He who is firm. He is firmly attached to his devotees and is not affected by their wrongs. Ajaha. The birthless. He is Aja since he emerged out of a pillar and was not born like others. Durmarshanaha. The unassailable. He is unassailable since it is impossible for his enemies to overcome him. Shasta. The chastiser. Bhagavan is Shasta because he righteously punishes those who are like thorns to good men. Vishrutatma. He whose exploits are heard with wonder. He is that Bhagavan whose exploits are heard with wonder by all, at all times and at all places. Surariha. The slayer of the enemy of gods. He is Surariha since it was he who slew Hiranyakashipu, the enemy of gods, by breaking his chest. அளந்திட்ட தூணை அவந்தட்ட ஆங்கே வளர்ந்திட்டு வாழுகிற் சிங்க உருவாய் உளந்தொட்டிரணியன் உண்மார்வகலம் பிளந்திட்ட கைகளால் சப்பாணி பேய்முலையுண்டானே சப்பாணி. You came out of a tall pillar in the form of a huge man lion. When Hiranyan broke it, and you split open his strong chest with your shining claws. You drank the milk from the breast of the female devil Putana and killed her. Clap your hands, clap your hands. As sung and enjoyed by Periyalvar, let's pray Lord Lakshmi Narasimha's Thiruvadi and wait to enjoy his names more and more. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana, Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana, Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana.